changes or reforms. So, what changes he made during his rule in one period of year? The first he issued a law placing a maximum ceiling on wages and prices. Means he fixed the wages for the people, those who were working, and the prices, means highest maximum prices uh, he fixed maximum prices. MRP, you say na, MRP stands for maximum retail price. So, in the same way, he also fixed the prices for the essential goods and fixed the wages for the working people. In this way, means nobody could be rich or nobody could be uh, poor. The second reform he made, that was the meat and bread were rationed. Meat and bread, this was the staple diet of the people. Staple diet means, you can say, basic diet. Most of the people were eating this only. So these were rationed, means for that purpose government shops were opened from where these were sold. The next he made, peasants were forced to sell their grains in cities at fixed prices set by the government. Uh, he asked the peasants to sell their grains in the cities and at the prices which were set by the government. Unlike in our country nowadays, the government buy the all the grains from the farmers by giving the that is MSP, minimum support price. So in the same way, he also fixed the prices for the peasants to sell their grains, and all the grain was sold in cities, so that the government can buy directly, and further government was selling through the ration shops. In this way, there was no holding, there was no rich and poor, everybody was getting equal bread. So all these efforts were only for the maintenance of the equality. The next he made, expensive white flour was forbidden. Expensive white flour means the maida, you can say, nowadays we say, very fine powder. So that is forbidden, and for all the people he made compulsory eating whole bread, whole wheat bread. Whole wheat bread means गेहूं के आटे से बनी हुई bread. All the citizens were addressed as citoyen and citoyenne instead of monsieur and madame. Earlier in France, all the men were addressed as monsieur, and all the women were addressed as a madam. But now he may change the title. All the male persons were considered or addressed as citoyen, and all the female citizens were considered as or addressed as citoyen. Citoyen and citoyenne means citizens. So he changed the title for the citizenship. The another effort which he made to maintain equality, that was the churches. He targeted the churches, and all the church property was confiscated, and all buildings and all the land or the buildings of the churches were converted into barracks or offices. Uh, the church buildings were converted into barracks where he was keeping all the enemies when they were arrested, or some of the buildings of the churches were converted into office from where the government work was going on. So these were the reforms made by him, and all these reforms were only for maintenance of the equality in the society. But to maintain equality and to ask the people to follow these rules, he implemented these rules or laws in a very strict manner, and that is why he is known for the reign of terror, though his reforms were very good. and as he was following his policies in a very strict manner, some of his supporters became against him. They turned against him, and they asked uh, they asked moderation. They asked moderation, and finally there was a case filed against Robespierre government, and he was convicted by court in July 1794, and he was also sent to guillotine when he was proved